secret of Mangosteen Peel, a super fortress that hides miracles. Look at this object. It's perfectly round. It's a mysterious deep purple, light brown, and dark brown. But when you hold it and feel it, it feels very hard. With the help of a microscope, we can see the details of the super hard outer layer of mangosteen skin. And there's a fiery red color, like the flames of a volcanic eruption, or like the fires of hell. We'll discuss why this happens later. Look at the outermost layer of the mangosteen skin. It is very dry and arid and looks rough, like barren land that is very short of water. Look, it's as if this isn't a fruit, but a precious stone encased in nature's armor. Now here's the paradox. Within this harsh, bitter, and unfriendly fortress lies a soft, sweet, and incredibly delicious white pearl. But wait a minute. The question isn't just what's inside, but why does the protection have to be so extreme? What's the real secret behind that super tough skin we often throw away? And what if I told you that's where the real treasure lies? Let's delve into the most fundamental question. Why does the outer shell have to be so hard? So hard that it takes so much effort to open it? This is no coincidence, folks. This is an evolutionary masterpiece. Imagine this fruit growing in a tropical forest teeming with predators, insects, and fungi. The flesh is very soft and rich in sugar and is an easy target. So, nature designed a defense system. The outer skin is like a knight's armor, made not of iron, but of millions of microscopic cells called sclereids, or stone cells. They are reinforced by a compound called lignin. Lignin, the same compound that makes wood hard. The result? A nearly impenetrable shield. Its purpose, obviously, is to protect the jewel within at the cost of its life. But that's just the beginning of the mystery. Now consider the color. We often see mangosteens with dark purple-black skin. That's not just a sign of ripeness. It's a sophisticated chemical signal. Color is a language. It means, I'm ready. My protective antioxidants are at their maximum. My seeds are strong. Please eat them and spread my seeds. The deep color comes from the explosion of anthocyanin pigments, one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. The darker the color, the greater the chemical protection. This fruit isn't just physically protected, it's chemically protected as well. But what does it mean if its skin is light brown mixed with dark brown? Is this a sign of danger? This is a warning sign. Brown is often a sign of injury. It could be due to bruising from a fall, which causes an oxidation reaction in the cells. More dangerously, it could be a sign of a fungal infection starting to set in. Or, more simply, it could be a sign that the fruit is starting to age and lose its moisture. The purple color fades. Its natural protection weakens. So, color is a map that tells the story of the fruit's life. But make no mistake, even in its wounded state, this skin still holds something surprising. Now, this is the part that might make us all feel like we're wasting our time. All this time, we've been throwing away a real treasure. Yes, this tough, bitter, and unappealing skin is a treasure trove of magical compounds. Scientists have discovered that beneath its toughness, mangosteen rind is packed with xanthones. Alpha mangosteen, gamma mangosteen. These compounds are said in the world of research to have extraordinary abilities as super antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and even anti-cancer. Plus, it contains anthocyanins, which give it its purple color, and tannins, which have antimicrobial properties. So, in many parts of the world, this skin, which we discard, is highly valued. Extracted, dried, made into teas or supplements, they exploit the armor, while we simply enjoy the pearl. But the story doesn't end there. To truly understand its majesty, we must go deeper to a level that the naked eye cannot see. Let's zoom out from under the microscope, 1,000 times smaller. This is the true face of the fortress. This is the answer to why it feels rough. The world at the micro level is like a barren, parched desert landscape. Tiny cracks, irregular mounds. These are traces of the stone cells drying out and pressing against each other during growth. Its structure is designed to minimize surface moisture, making it difficult for fungi and bacteria to adhere. And look at those flashes of blood red color amidst the brown structures. This isn't a microscope illusion. It's the anthocyanin itself trapped within the cells. At the micro level, this protective pigment looks like cooling red lava. It's a truly stunning sight. Also, notice how these parts are peeling away bit by bit. It's like watching an ancient fortress wall weathered by time. At the micro level, the bonds between these tough cells can become brittle and fragile. If you are interested in this Mangosteen skin secret, hit the like button and subscribe to dive into more amazing everyday science mysteries. Thank you for diving into the micro world with me. See you on the next, even more exciting and challenging science adventure.